In uncertain times, you need engaged and skilled employees to ensure your organization grows and remains competitive. Unfortunately, with most learning management systems, you have to make unnecessary compromises. You're forced to change your organization's workflows and processes to fit into a rigid, overpriced system you're locked into, a system that's not designed to meet your unique needs. You need to upskill your workforce on your own terms with the power and flexibility to deliver transformational learning. Totara Learn is an adaptable and extendable learning management solution that's trusted by millions of learners worldwide. Totara Learn empowers you to deliver tailored learning solutions that adapt to your unique requirements. Learn on any device with more than 35 supported languages, automatically assign content by audiences and roles. Ensure compliance to improve safety and reduce business risks. Quickly build courses and certifications with a range of interactive options. Combine courses with instructor-led events and other content to deliver powerful blended learning. Build reports and dashboards that cater to multiple groups or customers from a single instance of your LMS. What's more, by combining Totara Learn, Totara Engage, and Totara Perform, you'll benefit from an integrated talent experience platform that empowers your people to align with your company goals and perform at their best.